In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a box plot. This is your homework problem number 1-31, and it's using the data from this table. It's asking you to make a box plot out of the shoe size data. So I've started by already ordering the data from least to greatest. You have to start by putting the data in order so that you can find the median. And this is part A of the problem. So to find the median, I work my way from the outsides in to the middle. So I just lightly cross them off, working my way from one value to the next. And I can see that this is the median, number 8. Then the next thing I need to do for a box plot, so I'm going to write that, median is 8. I need to find the median of the lower half of the data because that will give me the first quartile, which is called quartile 1. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm only going to be working from this lower section of data. So I'm going to cross the opposite direction so that I can just keep track. So since I'm right in the middle, the median is right between 7.5 and 7.5. So that means the quartile 1 is going to be 7.5. Okay, and then I need to do the same thing to figure out quartile 3, or the middle of the top section of data. This top section. So I'm going to do the same thing, work my way from the outside in, and I can see it falls right here between 8.5 and 8.5, and since they're the same number, the median of that is 8.5. Okay, the last thing I need for a box plot is a minimum value, which is a 6, and the maximum value, which is 10. There's the lowest and the highest. Then to make a box plot, I need a number line that will show all of these numbers. So I'm just gonna start a number line here. Actually, I've got writing in the way, so I'm not going to use this portion of it so that you can see my whole box plot. And then I'm just going to do these by increments of 2. So 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10. Okay, so I don't even need all of this. But this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I just plot these different points, but with lines. So that's the only difference. So the minimum, I put a line at 6. Quartile 1, I put a line at 7.5. Median is 8. Quartile 3 is 8.5. And this portion makes my box of the box and whisker plot. And then the max was 10. And then I just draw in to show the whisker part of my box and whisker. And this box plot shows that the majority of the data is concentrated here between 7.5 and 8.5. Because this was the median, and this is the median of quartile of the lower section of the data, quartile 1, and this is the median of the top section of the data, which is quartile 2. And so a box plot, sometimes it can be shifted, skewed one way or the other, just depends on where all the data lies. But this makes sense because we can see that most of our data is right here between 7.5 and 8.5. And that's how you make a box plot.